Today I visit Rijal Almaa, a beautifully restored heritage village located in southern Saudi Arabia. I see how people once lived in this part of the world, have close encounters with aggressive baboons, and drive winding, often terrifying roads through this fascinating region of Saudi Arabia. My journey begins in the city of Abha, about an hour away. I hire a car and driver for the day. We agree on a price of 300 Saudi Riyal, about $80 US. Well, we've stopped on the side of the road and there's a whole lot of baboons, I guess, out here. Whoa, real loud ones. There's also a great view behind me all around, showing all the mountains. Going down this road of many sharp switchbacks, the most switchbacks I think I've ever seen. It's quite a feat of construction, kind of scary and exciting at the same time. Well, I made it to the Rijal Almaa Heritage Village. They're really beautiful. It's beautifully restored, a place where people used to live here. So I'm going to go, there's a museum here, a little shop, so I'm going to go check it out. And they've got a great museum in here about how people lived, they dressed, kind of all the rooms. They got really low ceilings, so you have to watch your head. You bump your head pretty easily, but very interesting. Well, this place is pretty amazing. It's got a great museum, I'd recommend. It's fun just to walk around the stairs and the little streets and alleys. Very impressive if you're in the area. My driver suggested a side trip up into the mountains for some spectacular views. He had never been up this road himself, but since I found that the best adventures are often unplanned, I agreed to his offer. Wow, we drove up this big mountain, up these kind of scary, windy roads, but we got this incredible view. There's all these huge mountains and valleys all throughout here. Pretty incredible. After an incredible adventure, it was time to head back. While stopping for gas, my driver bought me some juice and a bag full of snacks. He said, though he was driving to earn a living, I was also his guest, and he wanted to make sure I had enjoyed my trip. I told him it had been one of the highlights of my 3 weeks in Saudi Arabia. Well, I made it back to my hotel room from my many adventures today. Had an amazing time. Thank you to my driver, Ahmed, who helped me out big time. I've got many more adventures planned for Saudi Arabia, so I hope you'll join me.